ZHONGSHAN Yingguang, a lighting company. Let's welcome. Hello, Mr. Chen. Can you hear me?
Hello? Is clear?
Yes, I can see you. Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi, would you like to talk about your product or introduce your company?
Yes, okay. Good morning, everyone. And our company now is, and our product is mainly okay, it's not clear. Okay, I'll show you.
You can.
How many
you can hold it with your.
One moment.
Okay, take your time.
It's the main product. Okay. The strip. This strip is 2835.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
Yeah. You can with your hand to the back, so you can hold your strip like this. Can you see me? You hold your strip like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. With your hand.
Right there.
Hand. Okay. So you want us to see all the. Okay. Yeah. We can see it. We can see it.
Yeah. This kind of many this lamp. We make this 12 watt and 24 watt.
Okay.
Many in this product.
Low voltage. Okay.
Yeah, low wattage. And let me introduce. This is the 24 watt.
Okay.
24 watt, 6 lead in one group. And you can check this one.
So is it high CRI?
A normal CRI is up 80, and
80.
Yeah, okay. 80.
It's 90, right?
Yeah, and have some more good quality ones. And for home decoration, we have this 90 CRI.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah.
And this kind of is high temperature. You know, for example, this is the normal one. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And this normal one, we put the tape backside is blue color.
Okay, we have the tape for convenient to sticker, right?
Yes, yes. We can easily to know the production. We make a note by this is blue. Okay, and we have some more good quality ones. This item, we make 10 meter, 24
10 meter per cut, right?
Yeah. 10 meter one row.
Okay, 10 meter one row. Okay.
Yeah, and also this is 24 watt because now the widely using is 24 watt. So you can check by the strip 6 leads in one group.
Okay.
Yeah. And for easily for everyone to know our production, this one is high temperature. We can make some sample. For example, we have this one, and this high temperature is easily checked. 400, you see them. 400.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, and make a sample. Make a test. Okay.
Okay.
here, gathering. You see?
Yeah.
Okay. And this high temperature, and we make on the surface. Nothing.
Okay. Yeah, it's high temperature proofed.
Yes. And for this normal one, okay.
It's damaged. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Now test.
Yeah.
It's clear.
Yeah.
This is not high temperature protected. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I can see the high quality from your text. So do you want to use more for your company? For example, what's your advantage except your quantity, or how about your certification from the international? So
because this lead strip is not the certification is not how to say, we can make, and
okay, it's not requirements. So if you the customer asks, you can apply for it, right?
Yes. Anyone need the certification, we can prepare for you. And
so so how about what's your request for quotation? So minimal order.
This like because this production now we are making this daily making. Okay, so any order is welcome too.
Okay, any
yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Because now for the overseas marketing, now they are if anyone searching for this kind of production, they must come and check. Okay, and we prepare for the sample. For example, if they like this, like our normal daily making production, it's easy for them to load in and any dates we have goods. Okay, because my factory now it's not just to make this 2835 SMT lead strip is flexible, and other production we're not making. We're specializing in this. So okay.
Oh wow, it's twist, and this can be still used if even it's twist, right?
Yeah. For more easily, you can see our production. We have to light it and make a damage, to check if this can work. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So can you see?
Yeah, I can see if you are testing the Lightstrade, but it can still working. Yeah.
So in the marketing, when I go outside and check in, and we are finding some factory, some production. They are the people they will test by hand. The first touch it. They think, my strip is soft, and theirs is the thickness is small, and they'll think, oh, okay, the more thickness is, they will find they think it's more strong, but is it free? But when you want to know if the strip is good quality, you must testify it. You must testify it's most flexible and is working. Or when you make the declaration or renew the home, it's more easy and the quality is more good, because the glue the film, you know, the film and the groove inside. We make using the material is much more better.
Yeah.
So when you make the damage test, you will see, okay, when I make it like this, my strip still working.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for Mr. Chen give us do the test for us, and we can see the real high quality of your products. Thank you so much. And I hope I can see you face to face sometime, and give us your contact information, okay? And maybe the buyer want to buy your product.